Begin!
After a long, demanding, and extremely competitive review, the United States Army has adapted to the Sig Sauer M17. Soldiers with 1st Battalion 67th Armored Death Dealers had the opportunity to test their new weapon.
The M9 is a little bit heavier. It has a smaller grip on it. It had a more slender design, which you would think would be more favorable. But when it comes to gripping the pistol and actually holding it firm and keeping a good steady sight picture, the M17 definitely takes it. It fires a lot better. It doesn't jam as much. It's just a much better pistol.
The lightweight M17 comes with 2 17-round magazines and also features a Coyote 10 carry length grip module.
I mean, you got to train with reliable weapons in order to be able to defeat the enemy. It's 2019. There's no other military in the world that's a successful military in the world still utilizing weapon systems from World War II or Vietnam era. We as the world progresses and technology progresses and advances, I mean, we have to as well.
Units across our forces will adapt to the new M17 handgun pistol. Reporting from Fort Bliss, Texas, I'm Army Sergeant Alon Humphrey.